mainstreaming comes from a large adoption at the bottom up from teachers. And the challenge we have is to combine a type of large-scale adoption from teachers, which means that, as it has been expressed by one of the speakers today, we have to associate teachers. They have to be co-constructor of all initiatives. And at some stage, we also must have the political decisions to intervene, to say, if we change things, there is no way backwards. So which means that's a mix of top-down approaches and bottom-up approaches. But it takes time. It takes time, and one of the most important elements, if one wants to scale up all what is going on, we must give time to teachers to do it. And we must recognize teachers on all the innovative activities they are doing.
Any question from the audience right now? Okay. You're a little bit shy. So, Liv and also Maxim, I would like to point out another element that I think is on the table rounding, which is about collaboration. You indeed mentioned a coalition, and you, Liv, mentioned the efforts made in the training sector, let's say, aside to the formal education. So how can we make those worlds collaborate more? I mean, formal education, non-formal education, industry-led training.
That's, of course, a $1 million question. It's, of course, a must. That is that you have to collaborate, but that's not enough. I think that you have to find the same language in order to talk to each other and to, in a way, to put that language then in instruments where you can keep the link or that collaboration ongoing. And I think that in the ICT sector that is especially very important, even with a lot of awareness raising days, with platforms set up. I think that if an employer or the industry talks to the education people, you have immediately a full two worlds picture. And that has not really changed. And it has to do a lot like, as we had in the introduction, that education is asked to do a lot. And education is going to solve all the problems and the mismatches. And it has to provide the supply and the needs, and it has to know